Good morning, y'all. We are about to start our yoga.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
And that's it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
It's a what?
Octopus.
Look at your lips.
Look at this. Octopus.
Octopus. Yes, that is. Good job.
I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around,
Emmy. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Oh. Yeah, too much playing. Amaris got a room change. We're still not finished, but I actually love how it looks. It's a little big girl room. It's too early. You woke us up.
Mommy.
What's up, y'all? So, we really didn't finish vlogging yesterday. I really wish we did, but
Up.
go give me some tissue for your nose, please. I really wish yesterday I would have finished vlogging, but I was so caught up in the moment, enjoying the day, that I didn't get footage, but I did get some pictures. So go back. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday. I really wish I did. So the last clip that you guys saw was Amaris learning, I believe. So after that, we went to run some errands. I had to go to UPS, then I had to go to Hobby Lobby to return a few things. Then we ended up going to this parking garage that we found I want to say last week when Amaris was with my sister. Just took some photos. After we took the photos, we went to a horse stable. We didn't record or anything, but I did take a few pictures. We're gonna actually go back to the horse stable next week when the trail opens up. Due to Hurricane Ida, the trail was messed up, so the stable worker told us next week it should be fixed and we'll be able to ride the trail. It's like an hour long. I am so excited. And then after that, we just came back to the house and we just chilled. Now today is Saturday. I think Sabu said one of our couple friends wants us to go out and have like dinner or whatever, so they might be finding a spot. But other than that, today's been a real chill day. I'm just wearing this basic white t-shirt and these black high waist jeans with a nice little slit. These are in my Pretty Little Things try on haul. I actually almost forgot about them. I don't think I put these in the haul, but yeah, I got a nice bun going on today. Got my little whiskers down. If y'all want a skincare routine, let me know, like how I wash my face, how I get this nice natural glow. And also let me know if you guys want me to do like a full yoga video, because I can. That isn't even like half of what I do for yoga. I actually cut out a lot of parts, but I do a 30-minute yoga session every morning outside on my balcony. So let me know if y'all want a video dedicated just to me showing y'all my yoga moves. It ain't legit yoga, but it gets the body moving and it gets the body right and toying. I'm excited for today. I mean, it's almost 2:30 and I don't think we have anything planned, but I'm excited.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's so cute.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
We are back. Well, I am back from Benihana's. That's where we just came from. It was my first time going to Benihana's in my adult years. I feel like I went when I was younger only because I remember the whole volcano choo-choo train and the onion situation. But for Boo and I, it was our first time in our adult years going, and Amaris' first time ever going. So she really enjoyed herself. Our friend who we were with, they knew the chef, so it was a great experience. He was interacting with Amaris. He did the whole heart, and like I said, the volcano. You know, it was good. It's cool for like a birthday party or something like that, because there was a lot of kids' birthday parties actually going on. So it's good for that. But other than that, the food is really, really good. I'm home right now by myself because I had to attend to school. I'm in school as well. So I have 4 tests to actually take tonight. Well, that's due by the end of tonight, and a discussion to post as well. So I decided to come home so I could handle that, and they went to the mall to do a little shopping. I just wanted to end the vlog off. Make sure you guys are thumbs upping. Make sure you guys are telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to check us out. We got some content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. We love you, and see you next time. Bye. Leave your questions down below in the comment section. couples questions, parenting questions, any type of questions that you want, leave them down in the comment section below, and we will be answering them in a few videos. Again, thank you so much for watching our video.